Guys,
Hey.
how is everybody doing? Welcome back to another episode of Food Review with Cindy and Michael. And Michael here, what he has is these pizzas that you buy. Why don't you go get the one that is closed? And you buy them, they cost $6. And it's called Papa Murphy's. And that's for here in Texas. I don't know if they have them anywhere else. And you order the pizza, they make it for you there. You bring it home, it only costs $6. I went and bought 2 of them, and Michael wanted to do a review on
Fast food
how
review.
good the pizza is. Here it is. They give it to you with a whole bunch. This is one with pepperoni. You can see that's like the dough is still not cooked, and the pepperoni. So I'm gonna put it to the front. You see, and it says shake and bake, right, Michael?
That's
something
right.
like that.
Shake and
See?
bake.
And it says Austin something. Yeah, but Michael wants to make a review, so it's a pepperoni. He just wants everybody to let you guys know how good they are. Once upon a time, I ate a slice or 2 before I found out all the problems that I had. But he seems to like it. My husband seems to like it. My
It's
other
so
son
good.
seems to like it. But I can't eat that. So if you see me here on this side while Michael is in the middle of eating his shake and bake pizza over there, right, Mike?
What?
I'm just cutting a serrano pepper. See me? As you can see.
It's crispy.
Oh crap! You know what? I don't have tomato sauce. But I will use ketchup for the pepper steak. I'm gonna make a little pepper steak with some mango, but sweet plantain, like mango. Very nice and soft, and then some pepper steak on the top. That's why you see my red onion.
Oh yeah.
So I'm just gonna use half of this onion. Not even half. I don't think I need. Yeah, I'll use half.
That's one big old onion.
Yeah, and then the other half, I'm gonna save it. So I just put that there. How's that pizza going, Mike?
Delicious. This is the $6 one, right?
Like that? Yeah, that's what they are. $6.
And they're thin crust. You can see.
So they're $6. So if a pizza was $6, you can feed a family of 4. If you had 8 slices, and everybody can have 2 slices. Maybe you still be a little bit hungry, but you put, you know what I'm saying? You put your calories, and you put your protein, which is the pepperoni, and you have your cheese, which is your dairy, and you have your flour, which is your calories, which is, you know what I'm saying, your fat. So you're gonna have all your stuff coming in. Oh, my eyes are getting a little bit thing here.
Watery.
That's from
Onion.
yeah.
Is that good for your eyes? It cleans your eyes, right? It's like
Yeah.
natural eye drops.
Yeah, if I would have a toothpick, one of the good things when you're like cutting onions like this, just to like a little, I want to give you guys this little tip. You can take a piece of wood. You can take, you know those matches, those wood matches? You can take a toothpick, one of those, or you can take a couple of toothpicks if they're thick and put it in between your teeth. And you bite against it hard while you're cutting the onions. Your eyes won't ever tear. Try it.
Really?
And then you'll be like, wow, Cindy, how'd you find that out? I've been cooking for a long time, guys.
How long is
From
that?
a family of cooks and chefs and doctors and lawyers, but I like to cook. This is what I like to do. It's my passion. But sometimes, even passion, sometimes you kind of like take a break and you're kind of like don't want to do it for a while, not because you still don't love it, but because everybody goes through that once in a while. You're like, oh, I don't feel like cooking for a while, because it just comes to you. The day that you want to cook, get up in the morning, even that coffee comes out tasting better, let me tell you.
Oh yeah.
So, okay, so I put, let me see, half of that onion, and look, I still have half of that big old onion. Look at that onion. That's right. And
Onion up, onion
I'm gonna cut. How's that pizza, Michael? You like that?
Oh, it's delicious.
You look like you're gonna choke on that.
Maybe
Like,
a little.
Well, here, have some of my water. Hold on. Hold on.
We share in this house.
You can have the rest of that water. Let me cut this.
So good, guys.
And
It's so good.
I will be making. What was that, Michael? That you told me that one of my followers.
Jason Callan.
He wants me to make the chicken.
Buffalo wings.
Okay, I will.
And another
we'll do
subscriber.
that this weekend for Jason Cowell.
Sweet and sour wings. And it's
And
Jason
sweet
Callan.
yeah, we can do. When I make the sweet and sour wings, do you want me to make just like the wingettes, or you want it also with the little drum. You know,
Comment down below.
I'll make it. It will be just like sweet and sour chicken, but sweet and sour wings. I'll make it with the very nice and heavy. That will be nice, like over white rice.
Oh yeah.
It's the best way, you know. And let's do that. Let's do that. We'll do that for him this weekend. You know, even if you know I have a lot of stuff that I'm doing, but I'll get time out, and we'll do that for you guys. So Michael, why don't you finish that up? I'm almost done. Look, I already look. I chopped up my cilantro, my red onions, and my one serrano pepper. That was the first thing that those are very, very hot. And I still have, look, from that serrano pepper, I still have that little piece, you see? They look like jalapenos, but they're not. These are thin and long. The jalapenos are a little bit thicker, you know?
I give this pizza
Like
5
a
stars.
fatty. Yeah.
5 out of 5 stars.
5 stars.
5 stars.
So he said he gives it a 5 star.
It's
So,
very good.
you know, so he's eating all that pizza.
If you
finish
have
it
a
up.
Papa Murphy's near your house, you need to go right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get my meat that I gotta cut, the steak. I wanna cut it right here with you guys while he's eating that. Let me just get that, guys, okay?
Yeah.
And I'll be right back. Okay, Mike, I'm gonna leave you with our people. I'll be right back. Da-da-da, here I am.
So good.
Here I am. Woo. Oh, and by the way, guys, when I went across the street, I went to this supermarket that I really don't like because their prices, you know what I'm saying? They're like more expensive than everybody.
That's right.
But my food was buy one. This is what I like because you buy one, and what happens? And you get one free. And
That's right.
that's what I like. I have 2 packages of this. One was $10.89, so this is the highest price that I pay. The other one was like $9.99. But more or less, and what does it say up there, Mike? I don't have my glasses. What kind of?
Beef bottom round steak. Thin.
Okay, thin round steak. Okay, so when it says round steak, beef bottom round, that means it's from the butt cheeks.
Oh.
Which is nice and tender, so you can see it how it is. But I'm gonna go like this with my knife because I want to make. Oh, there you go, Michael. I'm gonna have to do that with the knife. File it. Yeah,
I'll file it
you
for you.
want to cut. No, it's okay. Finish eating that pizza there. And well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna make this pepper steak for me and my other son. See? So I'm gonna start putting it right there with the onions and all. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
When it's done, you guys gonna see it. Look at Michael. There you
It's
go.
too good.
And you see how I cut my strips? Eh? I want to show everybody so you guys can see, eh? Like that. Go across. Bam, bam. Yeah. It's going to be some good food. I think the other steak, I'm going to save it. Are you going to want to eat steak, Mike?
Nope.
Huh?
I have this delicious pizza.
You know, we can make fajitas, steak fajitas. Have we ever made steak fajitas? Now, this is 3 more pieces. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them together. Because if I do this one on top of another and slice them together. Oh, Michael's almost done. So while I'm doing this, he licked that up. So what do you give that pizza, Michael?
5 out of 5.
And it's called Papa Murphy's. It's great pizza.
I'm gonna put it in the title. It's a Papa Murphy's $6 pepperoni pizza.
And the ones with cheese, they're also $6.
That's right.
And they have for $7, for $8, you put more stuff. They have thick ones. They have the one that have the edges filled, stuffed with cheese, whatever you want. But these are very fresh. I'm telling you right now, if you don't have that much money to go ahead and try to feed your family, that's what you do. So with that, I'm going to tell you right now, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram and on Twitter. And like us on Facebook. And look us up on Pinterest, on Google+, on everywhere. We're everywhere. We're Twitter.
Hit that notification bell on YouTube so every time we post a video, everyone gets notified.
Exactly, because you don't want to miss out. I'm going to be making menudo, which is mondongo, which is cow's intestines.
That's right. And
or
the buffalo
cow
wings,
belly, which is the buffalo
for
wings.
Jason Callen.
For Jason Callen, I will be doing that this weekend. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching, Michael. Devour that pizza. This is what your pizzas are going to be looking like. This
Before,
is from Papa
that's
Murphy's.
before and after because it's in my belly.
If you want to order your pizza, the number's right there on the screen. And with that, we're gonna let you go. We love you guys. Hey Teddy, say hey man, what's up?
Hey.
And see you tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen, guys. Bye bye.